to remove all distractions as well. Hello, checking in with you all. The workday has officially started. It's already a bit busy, okay, but it's not a bad thing. Usually I will play some music, inspirational jazz work playlist, just to stay in the productive mindset for the morning, to remove all distractions as well. I find that if I try and play any kind of video, the rest of my day I'm anxious. The rest of my day I feel like I'm trying to catch up. The rest of my day I feel like it's one thing after the other. But with music, I can focus, I can lock in, I can just be at one with my thoughts and focus on work. This is better than I thought. We love bagels just in any capacity. Getting this Bob's bagel, like a bakery bagel, and to have to like cut it and then get this like perfect like consistency of like it's flaky and crispy on the outside, then doughy on the inside. It's so good. It is now 5 o'clock. It didn't feel like a long day until about 4:30, and then I wanted to check out so bad. But today was really fun. I do realize it's because I clean that I feel less tired. This is a new chair, and if I would have still been using my original chair to work this whole day, I would have been in terrible pain. So this chair was such a great investment to buy for a perfect time like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun. I hope it was restful. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.